Bethany here with Atlantic Flagpole, and I am excited to introduce to you the brightest solar light we have ever offered. This is our 800 series executive solar light. It has 120 LED lights. It is the brightest light we've ever offered. It covers the largest surface area because each of the solar light panels is installed at a 60-degree angle. So I'm gonna actually use this light to brighten things up while we make our video. This light is so bright that we are making a video outdoors in the middle of the country right now. So if you're looking for the brightest light to really light up your American flag, this is the one that we highly recommend. It comes with a 3-year warranty, which is just one of the best warranties in the industry, and it's something that I am confident you're going to love. So for the extreme patriots out there that are looking for the best, brightest light available, I highly recommend our brand new 800 series executive light. Check it out. I think you're going to be really excited with this one. Thank you. It's kind of like a UFO over my head.